COVID-19 pandemic has resulted in a significant loss of human life around the world. The consequences of this pandemic affected millions of people with extreme poverty. Almost half of the world's 3.3 billion workforces are at risk of losing their jobs. Workers of informal economy are insecure because majority of them lost social protection. This man-made disaster caused a significant change in food system by exposing its insufficiency. People with disabilities face barriers due to a lack of availability, accessibility, and affordability. Reach out to those who grieving a recent loss and let them know you'll be there for them. Instead of offering, "do anything," or "talk anytime," we are doing something specific to help them cope. Make time to participate in an activity to bring some significance to you and to the loved ones who died in COVID-19. We used online platforms to conduct virtual meetings so that everyone is completely focused. Through virtual conference meetings, researchers will be involved in multitasking behavior. Imperative incorporation for better understanding of the potential problem through video conferencing. Attendees will have a chance of attending more than one conference to help develop needs. A PR, one of the world's most prestigious professional organizations dedicated to improving people's lives. A PR is a non-profit professional association dedicated to pharmaceutical science, technology, research, and development. The 9th World Conference on Pharmaceutical Science and Drug Manufacturing is a multidisciplinary program. This fabulous conference devoted to learning about pharmaceutical science and research methodologies. Curious speakers and participants from around the world are cordially invited to attend this conference, 9th World Conference on Pharmaceutical Science and Drug Manufacturing.